one and all gathered here. I, Tejaswini, the Deputy Speaker of the JIPMER Students Association, take immense pride in welcoming you all for the 76th Republic Day celebrations. I'd also like to take a moment to thank our Honorable Director Sir, Dr. Gautam Roy, Deputy Director Admin, Sri Rangabashyam, Financial Advisor, Srimati Varshini Arun, our Medical Superintendent, Dr. Ellen Dorairajan, Acting Dean Academic, Dr. Ravikumar Chitoria, Dean Research, Dr. D.M. Thapa, Project Coordinator, Dr. Prem Rajan, our Student Advisor, Dr. Lata Chaturvedula, and all other esteemed JIPMER faculties, staff, and students who have gathered here for the celebrations. I wish you all a very happy 76th Republic Day. It's an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you today as we also celebrate an exceptional milestone achieved by our proud alumni. Dr. Nikhil Bien, alumnus from the Department of Surgery in JIPMER, has made us immensely proud by securing the All India Rank 1 in the INISS Surgical Oncology MCH course for January 2025. This remarkable achievement is a testament to his unparalleled dedication, unwavering perseverance, and relentless pursuit of excellence in the field of surgery. Dr. Nikhil's journey serves as an inspiration not only to his peers, but also to all of us. His success reflects the values and rigorous training that JIPMER imparts to its students, and he stands as a shining example of what heights our alumni can achieve. I request the director and the dignitaries to felicitate the awardee.
Visram! Sabdan!
Today, we stand to celebrate the 76th Republic Day, a day that fills our hearts with immense pride and joy and reminds us of the remarkable journey of our nation. On this historic day in 1950, came India's constitution into force, marking the dawn of a new era where every citizen was granted the power to shape the destiny of this great nation. The constitution, drafted under the visionary leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is not merely a document, but the very soul of our democracy. It ensures that every individual, regardless of caste, creed, gender, or religion, has equal rights and opportunities. The day is indeed a matter of collective joy and pride for all citizens. 75 years, someone might say, is only a blink of an eye in the life of a nation. No, I will say not these past 75 years. This has been the time when the long dormant soul of our India has awakened again, taking strides to regain its rightful place in the comity of nations. India has made a stellar progress in almost every field and is emerging as a global leader. But as we applaud our achievements, it's also a day to introspect. Are we ensuring a clean and sustainable future for the generations to come? Are we doing enough to uphold the ideals of our constitutions? Or does it have to cost the agony and lives of many people to bring a new law into force? This is something for every one of us to ponder and reflect. However, as the society evolves and faces new challenges, amendments become necessary to address the emerging issues. While the Constitution was written once, it has been amended multiple times to adapt to the realities and our challenges, be it to strengthen the laws against the crimes, ensure justice for marginalized group, or uphold the rights of every citizen. These amendments remind us that our democracy is dynamic, ever responsive to the needs of the people, ensuring justice, equality, and liberty remain the timeless pillars of our democracy. So I'd like to conclude with the quote of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar: humans are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise, both will wither and die. As the tricolor flutters high today, let us pledge to uphold the values of our Constitution and contribute our part to make India a nation that continues to inspire the world. Jai Hind. With the same patriotic spirit, let's kickstart this morning with a cultural performance of solo dance by Devika from the batch of 2K24.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shasya Shamala, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Tarikita tagadim, rima rima magari, mapani daba, rima pani sa, kidadim didaba, tagadim tagajam taganam tagasani risani daba magari sani sa, mari rima mari baba sani ni dim dim, mama papa ni dim dim, papa ni dim, misagari tagadim, diko tagadi kidadim, tagadim tagadim tadim nadim tatom tadim, dirana dana dirana tagadim nadim tatom tadim, kidatom tadim, kidatom tadim.
That was a beautiful performance, Devika. Next up, we have a choir of 5 people of patriotic songs.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन। मातरम वंदे मातरम, सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला, सस्य श्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम, सुफला मलयज शीतला, शस्य श्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम, शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदल सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Thank you, students. Next up, we have a group dance from the batch of 2K24.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो जय हो।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं। हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
अब तो हमें
ಈ ಜెండ పొలిమేరుధరరా దాస్య సంకెళ్ళు తెంచిందిరా ఈ జెండా అమరుల తుది శ్వాసరా రక్త తిలకాలు దిద్దిందిరా వీర స్వాతంత్ర పోరాట తొలి పిలుపురా మన వెలలేని త్యాగాల ఘన చరితరా తన చనుబాలతో పోరు నేర్పిందిరా, ఉరి కొయ్యల్ని ఉయ్యాల చేసిందిరా, ఆ తెల్లోల గుండెల్ని తొలి చేసిన అమ్మురా. వందే మాతరం మనదే ఈ తరం, వందే మాతరం పలికే ప్రతితరం. శాస్త్రానికి ధ్యానానికి ఆది గురువురా మన దేశం, మానవాళికే వైతాళిక గీతం రా భారతం. ధర్మానికి సత్యానికి జన్మభూమిరా మన దేశం, ఎన్నో మతాల సహజీవన సూత్రం రా భారతం. ఆ దైవం మన కోసం సృష్టించే ఈ స్వర్గం, ఈ ప్రాణాలు పోసింది ఆ తల్లిరా, తన దేహాన్ని ధైర్యాన్ని పంచిందిరా, మనమేమిస్తే తీరేను ఆ రుణమురా, మనకేమిచ్చిందని అడగద్దురా, భారతీయులుగా పుట్టము ఈ జన్మకిది చాలురా. వందే మాతరం మనదే ఈ తరం, వందే మాతరం పలికే ప్రతితరం. దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే, నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే, ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే, అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో, ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో, ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా, ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా. ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా, దేశమంటే ఏకమౌతామంతా ఈ వేళ. వందే మాతరం అందామందరం, వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం. దేశం మనదే తేజం మనదే, ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే, నీతి మనదే జాతి మనదే, ప్రజల అండదండ మనదే, అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో, ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో, ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా. రాజులు అయినా పేదలు అయినా భరతమాత సుతులే లేరా. ఎన్ని దేశాలున్నా మాకెన్ని దోషాలున్నా, దేశమంటే ప్రాణమిస్తాం అంతా ఈ వేళ. వందే మాతరం అందామందరం, వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం, వందే మాతరం అందామందరం, వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం.
Thank you, Suhas. That was truly uplifting and sweet. Next up, we have Teja from the batch of 2K24 for another melodious performance.
एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की याद, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर पे होंगे के। जय हिंद जोर दर्द से फिर भी बंधे हैं दाग, रखते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़के। जहरिंद जो नस नस में, अरबाजी फिर बस में, जिद तान के हिंदोस्त बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामल वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलां वंदे मातरम।
That was a beautiful performance, Teja. Moving on to the last segment of the day, we have a group dance by the batch of 2K23. Please welcome them.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया।
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Thank you, girls, for such a graceful performance. With this, we have come to an end of our beautiful Republic Day celebrations. So, I'd like to once again extend a heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Director, Sir, Dr. Gautam Roy, Medical Superintendent, Dr. Ellen Dorairajan, Acting Dean Academic, Dr. Ravi Kumar Chittoria, Dean Research, Dr. D.M. Thapa, Deputy Director Admin, Sri Rangabashyam, Financial Advisor, Srimati Varshini Arun, Project Coordinator, Dr. Prem Rajan, Student Advisor, Dr. Lata Chaturvedula, Head of the Departments, Additional Medical Superintendents, Officers in charge of the Nursing Section, Security, Chief Nursing Officer and the Nursing Department, Principal of College of Nursing, Public Relations Officer, Physical Instructor, Presidents and Secretaries of JHEU, the Executive Engineer, Electrical and Civil of CPWD, Estate Section, Sanitary Department, Horticulture Department, Physical Education Department, the Presidents of JFA, JRDA and JSA, SIS and Crystal team for being a part of this program. I also thank the staff from the JIPMA Community Hall for helping us with the logistics of the event. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Dr. Ravi Kumar Chittoria and his team in the IT wing who made the telecast of the event possible. I would also like to thank Doordarshan for the telecast of today's program. I thank all the senior faculties for being a part of this program. I also thank the photographers from Tungsten for capturing the beautiful moments of this program. Last but not the least, I would also acknowledge the hard work of all the students and staff behind the event in making a success. With this, the Republic Day celebrations instilled the patriotic spirit in all of us and truly set the tone for the day. So I'd like to end this with a happy Republic Day for all of you. Jai Hind.